Hi, today let's make tasty raw banana fry. First, let's make a simple masala powder. In a mixing bowl, I've added in salt, chaat masala, Kashmiri chili powder. Then I've added in some turmeric powder along with some cumin powder and coriander powder. Next, for binding, what I'll be doing is adding in some besan or gram flour along with some semolina or rava. This gives crispiness, and adding rice flour as well gives crispiness to our raw banana fry. Now mix all these ingredients really very well. We are not adding a single drop of water. This is a dry masala powder which will keep it ready. Next, the main ingredient or the hero ingredient is our raw bananas, which is cleaned and washed, and cut the edges of the bananas like this. And then we cannot peel because the bananas are raw, so we need to scrape or peel the skin like this with the peeler. And then you need to take a bowl of warm water along with some salt and place the sliced bananas into it to avoid a discoloration of the banana slices. Now place the chopped sliced banana pieces on the plate like this and sprinkle generous amount of masala on the banana slices. See to that the banana slices are beautifully coated on both the sides. And once you coat the powder on both the sides, just tap it like this just to see that it is beautifully taken all the masalas in. Now heat a pan, add in some oil and place the banana slices, and after 2 minutes start flipping it and cook it till it's crispy golden and beautifully cooked. And that's it, your super simple, super tasty raw banana fry is ready to have. You can have it with rice, rasam as a side, or just like a tea time snacks. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.